Good morning. Good morning. Drinking my morning coffee. I just want to touch base with you guys about, well, my last year, 2016. It was very, very a stressful year. 2016 wasn't my year at all. Two things went bad. And I want to just tell you two major things that went wrong in the year 2016. And first, it was my fiance left me after 7 years. He left me for another woman because of my YouTube. He didn't understand my YouTube. So he left me for another woman. I was devastating. I couldn't believe it. I was numbed. And well, I guess three things went bad. It wasn't just two, it was three things. After he left me, I became homeless. Still homeless. But I'm calling some places for apartments. As I'm making this video right now, there's a couple apartments that I've seen, and it just wasn't what I liked, wasn't what I wanted. So I'm still looking for something that I just want one bedroom or efficiency, something that's really decent, you know, nothing that has bugs or anything in it. I just want to live, you know, a clean place because I always been clean, you know, no roaches, no nothing, no mice. I just want something clean and something that looks really good so I can move into. So I became homeless at the year 2016, and after those two things happened to me, my fiance left me, and then I became homeless about nine months after that. My cat died. And that was a big one. I'm over my fiance. That's why I didn't cry when I just talked about him. But my cat, I would never get over her. I had her for 18 years. And she passed away. She got sick and passed away in my arms. So, yeah. 2016 was a stressful year for me. Very, very stressful. And, I'm trying to, make it one day at a time. Just like you. So if this video inspired someone that's going through pain and suffering of a loss or something that happened to them, you know, like being dumped, and we just gotta move on. You have to be strong and move on. And we have one life to live. We have to make the best of it. So thank you for this video. Thank you for watching. And let's all stay strong. So it will get better. So thank you.
I love you.